Hello and welcome to Captain Scarlet's kitchen. Today we're going to be making a tea cake. So today we're going to start with 2 cups of tea. You shall need the following. You shall need some butter, 2 eggs, approximately 12.5 ounces of mixed fruit or mixed dry fruit. I've also got some currants which I'm going to put in there. You're going to need 12.5 fluid ounces of tea. You then need to put these into a bowl overnight. Well, leave it in the fridge overnight. And I thought it was going to soak more up, but it hasn't. So, well, there you go. 7 ounces of dark brown sugar with 9.5 ounces of self-raising flour. So I need, I forgot I need baking powder, which I will add a teaspoon to. So you need a tin, or bread loaf tin, whatever you want to call it, and some cinnamon. Need a tablespoon of cinnamon. Right. Now it is preheat your oven to gas mark 4, and let's do the right oven this time. And for gas mark 4, it is 180 Celsius. And I just realised I'm not in landscape again, so never mind. Right, now grease your tin. I just tend to get butter and rub it like that. And again, I can't do this one-handed. And this. Wow, this tin is very non-stick, which is not helping. Okay, well, I need 2 hands. Here, I'd like me up back. And yes, greased. Now, let's put some eggs in a cup. I can't do this one-handed. Oh, bugger it. Ah, it's going wrong. Okay, try this again. And oh god. Extract the eggshell from your right, with the eggs successfully beaten. Why did I use a spoon? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this on my scales. That's in there. Yes, I really do need. Oh, tablespoon of. I think that's a tablespoon. Right, now is this a good idea adding the baking powder first? No, you know what, I'm going to do that second. Oh, actually no, I will do this last before I start mixing it in. You know what, let's start mixing this now. So, yes, slurpy noises. So yes, that's still quite wet. So I'm just going to be lazy. I'm going to add everything to this bowl because, well, why not? Otherwise I'm just pouring it into another bowl. Right, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to forget. Oh. I'm going to find out that this doesn't really. Technical issues, I'll be right back. Right, so it turns out I can't put this on my board, otherwise it's not tight enough. And this is in grams, so 7 ounces grams, 200. So let's do sugar first, because I've had this in my hand. Now it might come out of the bag. Come on, get out of the bag. Get out of the bag. Out of the bag. yeah, I'm happy with that. More sugar the better. Right, so 9.5 ounces is 270 grams of flour. Zero that. Knock stuff over on the side. I've got flour all over me, this is going well. Aren't you glad you watched this instead of something else? Probably should have sifted this as well. Oh. There. You know what? You know, 5 grams isn't going to hurt. Right, so now, last time I added this reacted quickly. But, excellent camera work here. Right, now this needs to be mixed in. I've made a complete mess everywhere. I've got flour all over me. Why am I on the scales? Oh yeah, put the board on there to try and prevent this from getting everywhere. Right, you just love the camera work. Right, I'm going to mix this all together. I'll be right back, I can't do this one handed. Right, now this is well mixed, now we need to stick it into the pan. So, it looks lovely, doesn't it? Lovely brown. And, can't do this one handed. Let's see if I can put this in. This has got a raising agent, so I'm not 100% sure if that's going to be big enough. Well then, let's find out. So this now needs to go into the oven for approximately 1 hour to an hour and a half. So that is approximately, well, let's say 12 cups of tea. But yes, I have actually got the oven on this time. Ooh, that needs to be clean. 15-minute mark. Seems to be going well. So I think after the hour is up, I'm going to kick that out. Oh, so that's the hour mark. Yeah, so that's not. Needs to go in for longer. Back in the oven, there you go. Oh, so this is an hour and a half. That's spot. And that's come out clean, so we are ready. So we just need to let this cool down a bit and we'll get out into the wire rack. So I probably could have done with a bit more butter as it did stick in places. So wait for next time. Oh, now that is cold. Let's cut it. So it does seem to be very soft in the middle. Around the outside. I'm going to It's lovely and nice. And that isn't chased. So yeah, if you like your dark fruits, you like tea, like most British people, this is brilliant. Cut it into them, you know. It looks like a loaf of bread, probably because it's probably is like one. Slap some butter on it. It's lovely. That's it for today.